statement also which is coming in. They are saying that we are witnessing strong and growing demand across key routes this winter, and we look forward to ramping up operations to ensure adequate capacity in India's aviation market. So this is the big statement that has come in from SpiceJet in light of all that is going on right now. SpiceJet saying that we are witnessing strong and growing demand across key routes this winter and look forward to ramping up operations to ensure adequate capacity in India's aviation market. Payal, let me come back to you. Of course, exactly what you were saying. The government's plan is to make sure that they plan these route cuts in a calibrated manner so that civil flights remain unaffected. And to that end, they're doing all that they can. And we're just getting the SpiceJet statement also. What can you tell us?
Well, SpiceJet has already expressed that they will be flying additional flights. They've said that they are committed to flying at least 100 extra aircrafts every day as well. Anvit has already broken the intent coming in from, Akasa and Air India also in the past as well. This is going to be taken up on priority. That's exactly what the government is really trying to do. There are people who can slam the government saying that new airlines are not coming in as well, but it's a long process. It's not something that you decide today that, an airline needs to come and the airline can come in tomorrow as well. The multiple focuses which are there, the biggest encouragement that the government wants to, give to the industry is to probably have an Indian player come into the market and, have an Indian airline of their own as well. Because, you realize that a lot of Air India, stakes and a lot of stakes of Indigo are also not just in India itself, but in other countries with other nationalities as well. So that's something which is being worked upon, but the immediate challenge has to be tackled, and that's exactly what the government is trying to do right now.
Right, of course, we're given to understand that SpiceJet will be adding 100 daily flights to their operations as well to ramp up their operations. And that being said, we had also heard in the parliament, the aviation minister saying that he, of course, plans to bring in more players. And that is a big question. That's a facet of this entire debacle that has come to fore as well, that we do need more players in the air.
Well, absolutely. There's no doubt whatsoever that nobody's denying the fact that, we do not have enough players in the market. We need more players to come into the market. But like I said, it's a proper exercise which has to be run as well. That's something which Ram Mohan Naidu has assured on the floor of the House. And when you speak on the floor of the House, you speak facts as well. So we have to just wait and see how this really calibrates and how this comes up as well. Because there is enough space for 4 to 5 new airlines to come in as far as Indian airspace is concerned. India has opened up its skies to multiple partners in the past as well. It's a huge thriving sector. Prime Minister's message saying Hawai chappal wale bhi ab Hawai jahaz mein ud sakte hain. That's actually resulted in opening up the Udan scheme further. You have multiple airports which have been opened. In fact, later this month, you will also see the Jewar airport open up in Noida space as well. So the government is doing what they can really, but of course, there is always room for improvement. There is always room for doing more as well, and more players need to come in. The focus right now of the government will be to make sure that players come in, but Indian players also do jump in into the space which is thriving and continuously on the growth path.
All right, well, Payal, thank you so much for that. Of course, we'll continue to track all developments on this front closely.